Unique to Jaunpur is the Fish Mela at the Aglar River. Every year, over 2,000 men gather to collect fish with their hands. The Fish Mela may disappear in a few years due to a government-proposed dam. Exodus is about leaving your community and the people you care about. The younger generations are open to change and ready to leave, never looking back. But what about the older generations? What happens to the people who are left behind?
अब बुढ़ों को इसलिए गुस्सा तो आएगा ही जब जमीन जायदाद बर्बाद होगी हमारी।
हम तो नहीं गए ना, हमने कहाँ जाना है? आपको नहीं जाना है? नहीं, हम नहीं जाते, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता वहाँ, हमें अच्छा ही यहाँ लगता है।
आपको शहर में गंगा क्या लगता है?
हाँ, नहीं बुरा तो कुछ नहीं है ना, पर न तो टाइम लगता है। अब घर में एक दो भैंस है, एक दो जोड़ी बैल है, तो उनको कौन पाले फिर?
When we started working on the documentary, Nagendra's sister Reena was a major part of the household. She had no immediate thoughts of leaving. A year later, Grandpa arranged for her to marry a taxi driver in Mussoorie, where she will live for the rest of her life.
मतलब जब मेरे ननद की शादी हो जाएगी बड़ी वाली की, तो बुरा तो लगेगा जब मतलब कभी भी कुछ किसी की शादी होगी कि त्योहार होगा तो उस समय हर समय हम उसे याद करेंगे। काम का तो तब खैर कुछ लालच नहीं रहता किसी को, तो ये है कि याद मतलब बहुत याद करेंगे उसे जब वो चली जाएगी। तो क्या याद आएगी बहुत उसकी।
In the end, Exodus is about leaving behind love.
गांव में तो प्यार है, फिर प्यार भी नहीं रहेगा उतना।
What will happen to the villages eventually if everybody keeps leaving? As our documentary team peered into the lives of villagers, we realized that we were also looking at a mirror image of ourselves. Many of us are here at this Western school in India just to receive a special education that will launch us into opportunities and studies abroad.
My name is Shubhi Agrawal and my family is originally from a village in India, but we now live in the United States. Next year, I'm going to go to Pratt Institute in New York.
My name is Atirav Gupta and next year I plan to do hospitality management in Switzerland for 4 years.
How could we expect the villagers to stay when we are not staying ourselves? We continue to be conflicted between wanting the villagers to stay and wanting to leave ourselves. Will we return? And if we do, will we take action to improve our nation? Maybe this documentary will help us reflect on our situations and decisions. If the tradition and love in the village are really that important, someone needs to stay back and keep it alive or make it stronger.
है तो बुरी बात, गाँव को छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, सब अपने घर का रीति रिवाज छोड़ रहे, बस देसी लोगों को देख कर उनके देखा देखी करते हैं, जैसी कर रहे वैसे हम भी करेंगे, पर कौन रोक सकता है एक दूसरे को?
It is not just their dilemma, it is also a choice that our documentary team needs to make about our own journeys.
Even though I might go abroad for further studies, I think I'll eventually come and settle here because India's home.
The decision to stay or go is becoming more important with time because when more people leave, leaving becomes easier. In India, villagers are often seen as the heart of the country. If the villagers leave, what will happen to India? If the brain drain continues, where is India headed? When we started this documentary, Sanjeev was trying to figure out his future. He applied to a local college and completed his education degree. Recently, he got a job. He is now working in government education research in Uttarkashi, away from his village.
ठीक है, मैं खुद भी कभी कभी बाहर घर से बाहर रहता हूँ, तो ठीक है, परिवार की ज़रूरत के लिए मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ और लेके आ रहा हूँ, उतना ठीक है।
तो उससे ये नहीं है कि मतलब मैं जाके बाहर जाके मैं बाहर कहीं रह जाऊँ।
आप बैठो।